Lost in Positano, Amalfi Coast's hidden gem, Positano's allure is undeniable, especially when seen from above. Breathtaking drone footage captures its pastel-colored buildings cascading down the cliffs, the shimmering Mediterranean Sea, and the lush greenery. This visual feast is the perfect hook to transport viewers to this Italian paradise. Nestled on Italy's Amalfi Coast, Positano is a picturesque village renowned for its steep streets and vibrant atmosphere. This coastal gem boasts a unique blend of natural beauty and charming architecture, making it a must-see destination for travelers worldwide. Reaching Positano is an adventure in itself. Visitors can choose between a scenic ferry ride, offering panoramic views of the coastline, or a thrilling drive along the winding Amalfi Coast Road, each journey setting the tone for the enchanting experience ahead. Positano offers a range of accommodations to suit every taste. From opulent luxury hotels with stunning sea views to charming bed and breakfasts nestled in the village's heart, travelers can find the perfect place to rest and rejuvenate. Spiaggia Grande, Positano's main beach, is a haven of relaxation. With its soft, golden sands and crystal-clear waters, it invites visitors to unwind under the Mediterranean sun. Beachfront cafes and bars enhance the experience, offering refreshments with a view. Positano offers an array of water activities for all ages. You can indulge in boating adventures, explore hidden coves, or simply enjoy a refreshing swim. Kayaking and paddleboarding are also popular, providing unique perspectives of the stunning coastline. The Church of Santa Maria Assunta is a must-visit landmark. Renowned for its stunning dome adorned with Majolica tiles, this historic church boasts a rich history and captivating architecture. Inside, you'll find beautiful frescoes and the revered Byzantine icon of the Black Madonna. The Path of the Gods offers an unforgettable hiking experience. This scenic trail provides breathtaking views of the Amalfi Coast, winding through lush landscapes and charming villages. Hikers will encounter ancient ruins, terraced vineyards, and panoramic vistas that make the journey truly remarkable. Positano's local cuisine is a culinary delight, featuring fresh seafood and delectable pasta dishes. Savor mouth-watering plates like spaghetti alla vongole or grilled octopus. The flavors are enhanced by locally sourced ingredients, making every meal a true taste of the region. Dining in Positano is a treat with its array of top-notch restaurants. Don't miss La Sponda, known for its romantic ambience and Mediterranean cuisine. Che Black offers a charming seaside setting with delicious seafood, while Da Vincenzo is a local favorite for authentic Italian dishes. Positano's shops brim with exquisite handmade ceramics, each piece a testament to local artisans' skills. Wander through vibrant streets and discover unique pottery that captures the town's charm, perfect for souvenirs or gifts that embody Positano's artistic spirit. Delight in Positano's famed limoncello, a zesty liqueur made from locally grown lemons. Visit family-run distilleries to witness the production process and sample this refreshing drink. Bring home a bottle to savor the Amalfi Coast's flavors. Experience Positano's vibrant seasonal festivals, where the town comes alive with music, dance, and local traditions. Plan your visit around these events to immerse yourself in the culture and celebrate alongside the welcoming residents of Positano. As the sun sets, Positano's nightlife awakens with chic bars and lively clubs. Enjoy cocktails with stunning coastal views or dance the night away to live music, ensuring your evenings are as memorable as your days. Immerse yourself in Positano's art and culture by visiting local galleries and cultural spots. Discover works by talented artists inspired by the town's breathtaking scenery and rich heritage, offering a deeper appreciation of Positano's creative soul. Explore the charm of nearby towns such as Ravello, known for its stunning gardens and music festivals, or visit the historic ruins of Pompeii, offering a glimpse into ancient Roman life. Capri, with its upscale shops and natural beauty, is also a must-see. Capture Positano's breathtaking beauty at iconic spots like the Spiaggia Grande Beach, the hillside terraces, and the enchanting pathways. The panoramic views from the Path of the Gods hike provide stunning backdrops for unforgettable photos, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Discover Positano's rich history by exploring the town's ancient sites. The Roman villa, with its intricate frescoes, offers a fascinating look into the past. Wander through the narrow streets to uncover hidden treasures and architectural marvels around every corner. Immerse yourself in local culture at Positano's bustling markets, where you can find fresh produce, artisanal goods, and unique souvenirs. Engage with friendly vendors and savor the vibrant atmosphere, making your visit a truly authentic and memorable experience. Experience the Amalfi Coast from the water with a boat tour. Cruise past dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and picturesque villages, all while enjoying the Mediterranean breeze. These tours often include stops for swimming and snorkeling, adding an adventurous twist to your trip. Immerse yourself in the heart of Italian cuisine with local cooking classes in Positano. Learn to prepare authentic recipes from experienced chefs, including fresh pasta and seafood dishes, and bring the timeless flavors of the Amalfi Coast into your own kitchen. For those seeking budget travel tips, Positano offers several ways to experience its charm without overspending. Consider visiting during off-peak seasons, staying in budget-friendly accommodations, and enjoying simple pleasures like free beach days and exploring scenic hiking trails. Indulge in luxurious experiences within Positano, from private yacht charters to exclusive wine tastings. Relax in upscale spas, dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, and enjoy personalized tours that showcase the best of this stunning coastal village. Discover Positano's hidden gems by wandering off the beaten path. Explore secluded coves, lesser-known eateries, and quiet piazzas where you can soak in the local atmosphere. These secret spots offer a more intimate glimpse into the village's true essence. Stay informed about local events and activities during your stay in Positano. From traditional festivals and cultural exhibitions to live music performances and art shows, there's always something happening that promises to enrich your experience and create lasting memories. Discover Positano's hidden gems like the secluded Fornillo Beach, less crowded yet equally stunning. Wander through narrow alleyways to find charming local cafes and artisan shops that offer a more intimate glimpse into the town's authentic culture and lifestyle. Engage with Positano's vibrant local events. From traditional music festivals to artisanal craft fairs, there's always something happening. These events provide a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and connect with residents in a meaningful way. Prioritize safety with essential tips like staying hydrated and wearing comfortable shoes for exploring the hilly terrain. Always carry a map or have GPS handy to navigate the winding streets and ensure a worry-free and enjoyable visit. Travel sustainably by choosing eco-friendly accommodations and supporting local businesses. Opt for public transportation or explore on foot to reduce your carbon footprint. These small actions help preserve Positano's natural beauty for future generations to enjoy. Positano awaits with its enchanting allure and unforgettable experiences. Subscribe for more travel tips and embark on an adventure that promises both relaxation and excitement. Let Positano's charm captivate you and inspire your next journey. Thanks for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed diving into the vibrant world of Positano, Italy. Did you find the information helpful and engaging? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated for more exciting content. Until next time, keep on exploring and embracing the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching Travel TTV.